At 5:20 it was showing it's arriving in 7 minutes. It's showing 13 minutes. Now it's 10. Now it's showing 27 minutes. Should I call him? He has cancelled the ride. Wasted our 12 minutes actually. Tired of Ola Uber? Well, there is this new homegrown app backed by the government's cooperation ministry, Bharat Taxi. Unlike Uber, Ola or even Rapido, Bharat Taxi claims that it doesn't follow a commission-heavy model and says that drivers keep around 80% of the fare. It also promises lower, more stable charges with its pricing with no surge even when there is rain, heavy traffic, huge demand or even peak hours. So let's do a quick reality check. I'm gonna book the same ride on all these apps. So we'll try to book a cab to DLF Mall of India. We are here at Film City, Noida right now, and DLF is like 5 minutes away from this place. Let's check the prices from all these apps now. On Bharat Taxi, AC cab is showing 130 rupees. On Ola, it's showing 118 rupees. And on Uber, it's 98.99. Again, it's 130 rupees. That's the highest of all. Now, we're gonna try book the cab and bolt one and see if it arrives on time or not. देखिए, मैंने 130 रुपए की राइड बुक की है, ठीक है? आपको कितना मिलेगा इसमें?
पूरा मिलेगा।
पूरा मिलेगा?
हाँ जी, अभी कोई कमीशन नहीं है इसमें।
So I'm gonna book another ride to another destination, which is Logix Mall, roughly 4.5 kilometers from here. We'll check on Rapido as well this time. It's showing 123 rupees. So on Rapido it's 123. On Uber it's 130.92. On Ola it's 125. And on Bharat Taxi it's 154. I'm booking my ride on Bharat Taxi and I've opted for AC cab. Let's see when it arrives. Now at 5:20 it was showing it's arriving in 7 minutes and it's 5:28 now. It's showing 13 minutes. Now it's 10. What? 5:20 was showing 7 minutes. At 5:29 it's showing 27 minutes. What? Not showing 17 minutes. Should I call him? This man is not picking my call now. And he's not even bothered to call and inform me. And he has cancelled the ride after 12 minutes. Wasted our 12 minutes actually. I'm gonna book another ride now because they have been questioned by our drivers. भैया OTP है 0493. So we are gonna go back to office now, which is 7 kilometers from here, and where we check the prices of auto on all these apps. Ola is showing 114 rupees. Rapido is showing 86 rupees. Uber is showing 93.40 rupees. And Bharat Taxi is showing 119 rupees. Again, the highest of all. Well, let's break it down. Here are the pros and cons I observed while using Bharat Taxi's services. The cabs were clean, the seats were well maintained, not scratched or worn out, and there was no unpleasant smell inside the vehicles. The drivers were polite, cooperative, and easy to communicate with throughout the rides. During one of my rides, I faced an issue where the driver cancelled the trip without informing me, even after I had been waiting on the road for some time. This is the biggest concern. When I compared fares for the same route across multiple cab apps, Bharat Taxi turned out to be the most expensive option. While the app claims there is no surge pricing, I found that fares for the same route varied at different times of the day. So it seems like a Bharat Taxi app is actually driver friendly, not consumer friendly. I will obviously go to all the other free apps for my ride. Why would I pay extra? Drivers, however, seem happy with their earnings if the rides come at a more frequent pace. Unlike other platforms, Bharat Taxi currently does not charge any commission from drivers. This makes it financially more sustainable for them and something they would like to rely on in the long run for their livelihood.
कंपनी वाले कट नहीं करते।
और ओला उबर के साथ आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है?
ओला उबर में तो पैसे ही नहीं मिल रहे उसमें।
हो गया, रैपिडो पैसा बहुत कम दे रहा है हमें, रैपिडो वाला।
हमको तो ज्यादा भरना पड़ रहा है इस ऐप पे। ओला उबर में तो कम दिखा रहा है मुझे।
ये हमारी लिए तो ठीक है, ये भारत टैक्सी ऐप। मैं तो इसी में चलाऊंगा, अगर इसमें काम आगे को बढ़ा तो मैं तो ज्यादातर इसी को ऑन रखता हूँ और इसी में चलाना चाहूँगा।
So here's the question. Would you switch to the Bharat Taxi app and leave other cab services behind? Let us know in the comment section below.